Look at the gecko. Look at the little gecko. See him? There's his head. He's in the flower. And there's his tail. Let me see if he'll come on my hand. Come on, baby. There he comes. Look at the gecko. Ooh. Whoop. Pretty. Come on. Want to go in the garden? There he goes. He's adorable. He's adorable. Go on. Get your little gecko. I mean, the salamander. I said gecko like 3 times now. Salamander. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, salamander. Hi from the birds. He likes us. He doesn't want to go. Hi from the birds. They're hungry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Good. Good, good, good. Good salamander.